All right, so for number 17, again, we're going to go through and we are going to do our don't call me after midnight process. We do have the distributive property this time. So right here, I have that my distributive number in front is -3. So when we distribute, that means we're going to multiply all the number, or multiply p and 1 by -3. So again, we're going to multiply here, and we're going to multiply that number in to get single values. So I'm going to start out by saying -3 times p is -3p. -3 times 1 is going to be -3, because it is -3, but we're going to go ahead and write -3 because those mean the same thing. And that equals 20. So once we distribute here, I now have individual pieces that I can work with, and then we're going to look for combining like terms. So remember, to combine like terms, we can only combine the left with the left and the right with the right. We do not currently have any like terms on the left side because that one has a variable, one doesn't, and there's only one number over here. So we're going to skip the combine like terms. All right, so move the variable. So we only have one variable. We do not have any variables on the right-hand side, so we get to skip that step. And now we're going to add or subtract. So I'm going to add 3. Okay, once I add 3, that's going to give me 23. And then we're going to divide by -3 because that's -3 times p. Now, in this particular problem, it does not simplify to a nice whole integer, or to an integer. So if we divide this out into Desmos, we wind up having 23 divided by 3. And it gives us a repeating decimal. We don't want to round our answer here, so the best thing to do is right here on the left side in blue, there is the fraction button that if it can be simplified, it'll simplify it for you, but for our purposes, we want an exact answer, so we're going to leave the answer as -23 over 3.